Hey guys, hope you are enjoying my workouts. This is a cool down and stretch that you can add to your playlist to do after any of my workouts. Today's stretch is a full body stretch starting with a child pose. This helps to stretch out your back, your hips and your lats and stay here for about 20 seconds. Next, we got a cat-cow pose. This relaxes the muscles around your neck, your upper back, abdomen, chest, and your hips. Now, cobbler stretch for the hips and the groins area. Next, we got head rolls. Drop your shoulders and make a circle with your head. This helps to release tension around your neck. Now tricep stretch. On to the other side. And now side arm stretch. Now onto the other side. Lie down and stretch one side of your glutes for 20 seconds. This is really great after a full body workout or lower body workout or after a run. Now onto the other side. Now let's stretch our hamstring. Now bring the leg behind you like so and stretch out your lats too. You can also lean forward to give your hamstring a deeper stretch. Now have your knee behind on the mat and stretch out your hamstring. You can move forward and backward like so to release the tension. Get into a low lunge now and stay here for about 15 seconds. Now drop your knee behind and get into a deeper lunge stretch. Raise your arms above you and lean back for a stretch. You don't have to overdo it, don't hurt your back. Now get into a pigeon pose by folding your leg in front like so and stretch your hips area. You can also lean forward to get a deeper stretch. Bring your chest up and stretch your quads. Let's repeat the same thing on the other side, starting with hamstring stretch. Now you can stretch your lats and also lean forward for a deeper stretch. Now get your knee behind on the mat and stretch out your hamstring. Move a little forward and backward to release the tension. Get into a low lunge and stay here for about 15 seconds. And now drop your knee behind and get into a deeper stretch. Raise your arms above you and lean back for a deeper stretch. Now into a pigeon pose. Lean forward to get a deeper stretch. Now bring your chest back up and stretch your quads. Let's get into a downward dog position, and you can also walk the legs like so to release the tension on your hamstring and on your calves. Walk your legs in, shake your heads forward and backward to release the tension on your neck. Then get up slowly. Now, let's stretch out our lats and neck again. Onto the other side. Now stretch out our hamstring and our back with our forward leg pointing forward and our back leg pointing diagonally like so. Then stretch out the hamstring and the back. Do the same on the other side. Now back in the middle. can shake your head forward and backward, side to side to release any remaining tension. Remember to breathe in and out, slowly get up, and that's the end of the stretch. Hope you guys enjoyed the workouts and the stretch, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!